Creating an FAQ in Elementor is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can create an FAQ section in Elementor. So as we know, Elementor is a WordPress plugin. So I cannot, install Elementor just because my website is not ready and I have not paid for the domain. So I can show you how exactly you can do it. So this is how the Elementor should look like. You just need to go to the Elementor section and you have to click on this new code. And then we want you to put, HTML or CSS code. Now you need to put your HTML, CSS code. Now, how can you find the code? If you don't know how to code, how you can do that? You just need to go to Google and type in FAQ page, free HTML, CSS. And you need to go to this outside, which is Medium. And you need to select any of the HTML, CSS template that you want to put. Suppose I want to put this template. So I'm just going to, click on this HTML and I'm going to copy all of its code. After copying it, I'll go to my, WordPress. So the code works pretty much same in the Elementor and the default WordPress editor. So I'm just going to, click on this write code and I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on custom HTML. So I'm going to paste my code right here and now I have to add the CSS as well. So I'm just going to create a new tab which should be written like that, style and style. This is the, coding language. You don't need to, understand that. You just need to write in style in the same way and you need to press enter in between them. And now you have to go back to the website and you need to go to the CSS and you need to copy all of that as well. So I just copied it. Now I'm going to go back to this website and now I will type and now I'm going to paste the code right here. Now here, if I click on this preview, as you guys can see, the FAQ section just added to my WordPress website. It is same in the normal HTML code or you can do that in Elementor as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can create FAQ in Elementor. Hope you guys find this video helpful.